chances are if you clicked on this video, you might want to start making some money online. Now, there are hundreds and thousands of different ways that you can achieve this, and a lot of these different options include various side hustles that you can do online. For example, freelancing or photography or online coaching. And then we have drop shipping and social media management, and those would all be different examples of side hustles. Now, I have a brother and his name is Matt. He has a YouTube channel called Make Money Matt, and he has made millions of dollars online. But he shared with me one secret that I have for you guys. And he simply told me, don't do anything on that list that I just shared with you. So with that being said, do not start a side hustle. And I'm saying this in regards to if you want to be quote unquote rich. Because the problem with these jobs that I just listed is once you stop doing them, you will stop making money. So these side hustles are not passive incomes. And a passive income is when you work once or a few times and money just keeps coming even if you stop working. So these side hustles would not be an example of passive income. And a lot of different people believe that you need to start a side hustle in order to start a business online, which is not true. Which sort of makes sense because these people are thinking, well, I will start a side hustle in the meantime to save up money to invest in a different business in the future, which is why I'm making this video, because I don't want any of you guys to be wasting your time on a side hustle that doesn't fully intrigue you. And I wanted to find ways to make money online without having an upfront investment. I don't want you guys to be pulling money into a business that just isn't necessarily needed to be done. But the only thing that you're going to truly need to be investing in this business is just simply time. So we're gonna just skip the whole side hustle thing. We're not gonna waste any time on that because I don't want you guys to just be trying to make enough money to start this business. We're just gonna skip all that because why get into it if we don't have to? Okay, so let's just get into this business model, if you will, which brings me to the first step, which is just going to be simply pull up a Google document. And then within that Google document, I want you guys to write down everything that you're interested in, just anything that comes off the top of your brain. And this can include a lot of different things, maybe different content that you watch online, or what you like to do in your free time. Do you like to read? What types of TV shows do you like to watch? Do you play any sports? Do you play soccer, or do you play football, or do you do dance? Just simply write down anything that you're interested in. My list would go something like Harry Styles, my favorite show is Normal People, I love Elvis Presley. There's just a few ideas. I love to read. I love to read fantasy books. Put that on the list. And the next thing that you're going to need to do, I'm going to put something up on the screen for you guys. And I want you to compare the list that you have made to what I'm showing on the screen. And feel free to just simply pause the video to look over this, or maybe even to create your list if you haven't made it already. Or maybe you're simply just watching this video and you're like, I don't want to make a list yet. Well, that's okay too. But for those of you who have made a list, let's stay on task. Let's get it, team. So you want to see if any of your interests overlap with a profitable niche. And if any of these interests do not cross over, then delete these interests off of your list. Now, once you've narrowed everything down and got a finished list, you're going to pick one of these topics and niches and create a YouTube channel. My best friend, YouTube. And you're going to be creating a YouTube channel, surprise, surprise, you guys guessed it, about the niche that you've just picked. Okay, now at this point in the video, you might be thinking, Kayla, I don't want to make a YouTube channel because I don't want to have to sit in front of a camera like you're doing right now. But trust me, you guys, just let's take a deep breath. This is all going to make sense in one moment. So once you have created this channel, I want you guys to create about a month's worth of content for a Faceless YouTube channel. And yes, you heard that right. A Faceless YouTube channel. And you might be thinking, well, that still seems like a lot of work to be just making YouTube video content. And trust me, it does sound overwhelming at first, but a lot of the tools that we can utilize today online, whether it be through AI or different softwares to just simply help us be more organized. Making a YouTube channel isn't as scary as it should sound. So let's just say you make anywhere from 10 to 20 videos. And you can do this all with using stock photos and stock videos. And you can get this stuff from a place such as Storyblocks. And then you're just going to record yourself doing a voiceover over these stock photos and videos. Now we can get a little bit lazier, which, you know, we always love. Why do more work if we do not have to? I don't know if that's a bad motto to live by, but I'll still do it. But if you want to get more lazy, you could use a realistic AI text-to-speech to record these voiceovers for you. And a program called Pictory can do exactly this for you. So you literally just throw in your script and you will get an AI robot voice that will sound like a real human, which is kind of scary, but also helpful when we're starting a YouTube channel. Now, if you were to look at different faceless YouTube channels on YouTube, you might find that they aren't crazy good at editing, which, like I just said, you could compile different stock photos and videos and simply do a voiceover, and this is what a lot of different faceless YouTube channels simply do. So if you can make anywhere from 10 to 20 videos per month, then you're pretty set with content, the content creation side of things. Now you might be wondering, I have no idea what a faceless YouTube channel would look like, and I don't know how to look one up. Some good examples that I always throw out there would be a channel called Body Hub or a channel called Brainy Dose. Another channel would be World According to Briggs. And my last example for you would be a channel called Before You Go. So feel free to look at any of these channels. They are just great examples of how a faceless YouTube channel can be successful. Now, once you have created these videos that revolve around the niche of your YouTube channel and you have created your YouTube channel, you can start uploading your videos. Now, YouTube has a really cool tool where you can schedule to upload your videos. So I suggest maybe stocking up on videos. Like I said, just take a month and create 10 to 20 YouTube videos, and then the next month start scheduling to post them, whether this be posting 3 videos a week or 2 videos a week or even 1 video a week, just really whatever you can keep up with. And then once you have this backlog of videos, you don't have to worry as much. Maybe you can take a few days off here and there once you keep compiling more and more videos. I also would recommend maybe putting some affiliate links within the description of your videos or within your videos. For example, if you have a channel that has to do with technology or software, having affiliate links for different software products might not be a bad idea, as the people watching your videos will be interested in technology and will be more likely to purchase something from an affiliate link that has to do with technology. So let's just say you have an affiliate link that gives you $100 per every sale that you make. And if you sell just one product a day, then you're already making a ton of money, really. Like $100 in a day is not bad at all, especially when all you had to do was make a YouTube video. But chances are you could be making more than just one sale a day, so that could get even higher. Once you've got your videos made and you've got your videos scheduled for the next month, then we're going to simply repeat this process. So while these videos are being scheduled to post and they're posting, you're going to simply make more videos and make more content. And then you are going to schedule these videos to post and keep repeating this process over and over. And then eventually, as you keep repeating this process, you will gain more viewers and you'll start making money not only from the affiliate links that I just mentioned you could do, but you can also start making money from ad revenue, which is the checks from YouTube. So let's say your faceless YouTube channel is getting around 250,000 views a month, and these are videos within a profitable niche, or you're getting around 8,000 views a day. Then you're making anywhere from $1,000 to $8,000 in just 1 month. And that's going to be just from ad revenue alone, not even having to deal with the affiliate links that you're putting in your videos whatsoever at all. So let's talk about the final kind of step within all of this. Once you keep repeating this process and you do it enough times, you can start automating your faceless videos. And let's talk about what this entails. So once you start making a little bit of money, whether this be from the ad revenue or this be from affiliate links that you're providing, let's take a trip on over to a website called Fiverr. And on Fiverr, you can hire somebody else for pretty cheap to start making these videos for you. So this is where we're getting really lazy, but also very smart. And with this, you can create the ultimate passive income, because eventually all you'll have to do is upload these videos, because you can hire an editor and a voiceover artist and even somebody to write these scripts for you. And automating your YouTube videos is never a bad idea, as it is such a great investment in order to keep pumping out more videos consistently. And a plus is you don't have to do as much work. And then you'll also be benefiting from the views that you're getting from your YouTube channel, making money from that and the ad revenue, and also making money from different affiliate links as well. Now I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret, and that secret is going to be this method is not exclusive to just one channel. You could start up another Faceless YouTube channel and do this same exact process. And then guess what? You could start another one and another one. Within the year of 2024, YouTube has 2.4 billion users within the platform. And I say this because a lot of people worry that there won't be viewers to enjoy their content. For example, if somebody has a makeup channel, why should I make another makeup channel because this person is already successful? Well, truly the platform is so ginormous. And this is a method that has existed a long time. So if I've piqued your guys' interest whatsoever with this video, and if you are interested in learning more about a faceless YouTube channel or making money online within a great community, then check out my brother's course that he has made within the description of this video. He has made a course that teaches really anything that needs to be known about YouTube. Anything and everything. It is easily one of the best faceless YouTube channel courses within the market. And I'm not saying this because I am biased, but I truly believe it. He has put so much work into this course. And he also has a built-in community as well, which can be helpful if you have any questions, because you can receive around-the-clock answers, which can be super helpful, again, if you're just confused with a faceless YouTube channel or just have any questions along the way. He provides a lot of guidance. To anyone who wants to learn how to make a big passive income within YouTube or within a faceless channel, I'll see you guys there. And also make sure to check out this video, as it is basically kind of a free training course on how to start up your faceless YouTube channel. It is my brother's video and he talks about a lot of different things and a lot of different steps to help you guys get started. So make sure to check it out, check out his course. See you guys there. Thank you for watching.